I've been going all day.
Got a pretty good turnout tonight. I have a few more cars. I'm waiting on the guy for the downpipe, but everything's awesome. All right, so the guy pulled up in the GTI. The guy's gonna buy, he already bought the downpipe from me. He has this GTI pushing about 389 horsepower, and this thing is beautiful. Look at this. This thing is gorgeous. Damn, do I want a GTI now? Do I want a GTI? I might want a GTI. We'll see. We'll see. This is gorgeous. On BBSs, real BBSs. Some real BBSs. These are beautiful with some nice Indy 500s. It's got the Porsche brakes in the front. Porsche calipers. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. Wow. What's up, guys? It's day 3. We just got back to my boy's house. Here's the car right here. We're about to JB tune again. He actually has an extra trip, so we're about to do it right now. Let's get into it. Here's his beautiful downpipe tuned Supra. How much did you make it in the dyno?
About 480.
480. Wow. I'm gonna get a ride on this once the air codes go away, but let's hop right into it. There's the JB, and we're gonna try again. And I already ordered my CTS downpipe catless. You already know we're gonna be freaking going crazy. All right, the engine bay is really dirty, but we just got everything plugged in. I mean, you can't really see it because I didn't turn my flash on, but everything's connected down there, all the harnesses. Got this. This is actually gonna get zip tied because now that it's daytime, my original JB1 chip fell through my wheel well. And you see I don't have any fender liners, so chopped it up and broke it in half. Here's my original JB1 that broke because it fell on my rip. But we got a different one. Now, my friend Sam, he's about to go get his laptop. We're about to plug it up. We're about to start going into map 1. It shouldn't be that hard since he already has the app downloaded. I just want to ride in this. So quick update, we actually got out the garage real quick. Once we connected his laptop to my car, we plugged in the data cable, and I didn't have my ignition on. So we kept it plugged in. I went to go turn my ignition on, and it automatically jumped into map 1. I didn't even have time to record it. So pretty much I'm already at map 1, the default map. Now we're just closing the box. Oh, it's the other way right here. Oh, this one, yeah. All right. Yeah, we're just closing the box down. We're about to mount it in a safer location with zip ties and everything.
Oh, yeah, same one, same spot.
Zip ties, and we're gonna make it. Finally, man. Thank God. Thank God. Now I gotta save this.
Replace it. I was so bummed the other day.
Yeah, that's a good thing. So, quick question, Sam. If possible, can I take a ride in the Supra with you?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm excited. All right, so the car's officially JB1 tuned. Now we're just waiting on my downpipe. Should be here in a few weeks. Let me pop the hood to show you guys because I actually secured it better this time. Zip tied it there. It's all zip tied and wiring's all done. But it shouldn't go anywhere now. So now I'm gonna take it to get it test driven with Sam. Make sure everything's all good. Then we're gonna test ride the Supra. Right here is good. got back to Sam's crib. We're gonna pop the hood, make sure the thing stayed still, and it did.
It did?
It stayed still.
Oh,
yeah.
awesome.
Perfect.
That's a good spot then.
Yeah, well, the car definitely.
Does it feel forced, or does it feel warm?
Not really. Oh, I didn't even feel it. Now we're gonna take a ride in the Mk5 downpipe tuned Supra. I'm excited as hell.
It was in sport mode, but it didn't. That's weird. It was in sport mode, but it did not start.
Crackle? Yeah.
I would think that would make it start up even louder.
Yeah, if it's cold, it probably starts up louder. Man, look at this carbon interior. Oh my God, this thing is a beaut. Wow. Well, we'll get my reactions of the car.
The burble was like way up too.
I already feel the pulls.
Yeah, just like the car stock. I had to get used to it because it was a lot more than what I was doing.
Holy shit. God damn, I can hear the turbos. Holy shit. That was something light. Oh my God. So the first reaction is this thing freaking pulls. This thing is a rocket ship. And it's making 480. I mean, you're going for more power?
Hopefully, eventually.
Yeah, this thing.
More money.
This thing pulls, man. Holy crap. And the burbles are crazy. I'm definitely gonna need me a Mk5 soon.
Kind of brake booster.
Yeah, you can feel it pull like immediately. Barely any turbo lag on this thing.
When I'm racing, there's quite a bit, but I've never brake boosted when I've raced yet because I can't ever time it with the countdown all at once. I'm gonna have to go make it right on 99 and go back that way.
Gotcha. Fuck. Wow. Excuse my potty mouth, but jeez. This is an animal. Oh wow, yeah, we did go pretty out. Man, these are streets in Mexico. Just saying.
Catch it clear. Hear this.
Holy shit. Wow. This is a fucking animal. Holy crap. Holy crap. This thing put me in my ass. Jesus, I gotta get my freaking Holy Ghost back there. Jesus. Oh my God. I'm gonna need one of these. Oh my God.
Wow. And the tires are gripping.
Well, we're out of here. This car is beautiful, man. Gorgeous car. Car's tuned and everything. About to head back home.